what's up? And today we're gonna have a Nerf blaster hide and seek challenge. But you gotta, you tell me.
Here, let me explain. So the hiders will have this little mini guns, and then the hunter will have this gun right here. And the hiders will go and hide. Then I'll go after, since I'm hunter first, and I have to find them, and they can shoot me, and then I'm stunned for 30 seconds.
We forgot something. Hey guys, make sure you like and subscribe. And if that subscribe button is red, make sure you click it, and it'll be gray, and gray's the way, right?
Yep, gray's the way.
And make sure you smash that and make sure and make sure you turn on the notification bell.
And then you will get $100. No.
And and then you will, every time we post a video, you'll get a notification, and you guys can watch it, right?
Notification? I don't know how to do that.
Oh, well, see, you gotta click the subscribe button, then you gotta go over and then click the bell, and then make sure it's free.
Okay.
Yep.
Make sure you guys do that. Make sure you guys do that. I don't even know how to.
Yeah.
Me either. I just know how to shoot Nerf guns.
Yeah. Huh?
Everybody, run. Go and hide. I'll count to 60. You get a minute.
Got it.
I offered myself to all grades.
I'm going to hide in that closet. Okay.
No, I will too. Where?
In the bathroom. Right. In these shorts.
Oh my gosh.
That's what you're hiding. I'm going to hide in the kid. Halfway open. I've been calling it down. Where should I hide?
I don't know. But I'm gonna put you guys down. Then you guys can tell me. Make sure you comment down below if you see them. Yeah. Okay. Sorry if it's dark, guys. I'm just gonna hold you. Yeah, Brown said hi. Hi, Brown. Yep. I lost a bullet. Shh, shh, shh. If you guys can see me, if you guys can't see me, I'm sorry. We will edit it and make it bright, okay? We're waiting. My editor is actually the seeker. Oh, he's coming. playing hide and seek.
Wait,
We got a
don't hit
YouTube
these
channel.
lights. Do not hit those lights.
Let's go downstairs.
My mom would beat you if you hit that thing. Okay, come on, you guys. Let's head back down. Who wants to be hunter this time? I will. No, I will. Let's like Kate. Wait.
Okay.
No, Brown wants to be. No, wait. Brown's it. So come on. Brown, you have to count. You have to have mom count to 60 for you. No, I can count to 60. Ow, that was not a good. Yes, I can. My teacher taught me how. How? Why should I tell you? I need to do it because I'm a hunter. You don't use how, Brody. I'm talking about. I'm just going to go back. I need a bullet! Yeah, go on.
What's that noise? Kate, come up here. Oh, crap. Guys, I forgot my gun.
You forgot your gun?
Oh, I don't got no bullets.
Here.
Thanks. Sorry, guys. Flip the camera first. Okay. Tell me if you see him.
Shot you.
Oop. Yay. Brown. Deep. Hey, Brown. Hey, don't shoot me. Don't shoot me.
Don't shoot me.
I want to tell you something.
What?
Want to work together?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
But you're good.
No, I don't need it. I'll be
There's
like,
only one bullet in here.
Brown. I thought you were trying to find somebody. I'll just be walking. just me, guys. It's just me. Jeez. Oh crap!
No, you missed.
Let's go.
I shot Kay. I shot Kay. I'm out of here.
Logan's here.
You ready?
Logan!
Run.
Okay.
Go out.
Run! Hey guys, I'm just gonna act normal. YouTube channel. Yeah. I'm just gonna chill. Go behind there. Go behind there. I'll distract him. Where's Brown? I'll be right back.
Game's over.
I'm behind there. No, I'm gonna.
Hiders won.
Yes! Guys, I was actually gonna guys, should we all hide behind there next round?
I don't think.
Hey, I'll be behind there. Hey guys,
Oh, they're upstairs.
I'm just gonna get behind here.
Yeah. No, they're actually on the table.
Oh, that's a long route.
Oh, you can just put it in there where everybody else.
Let's go get Brown. Okay, should we end this video?
Yeah.
This is 13. Hey guys, we're gonna end this video.
Yep.
So make sure. Bye.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
Bye.